let's take a look at the basics and how you actually create an Instagram story. So this is a story that I created this week, and we're going to watch a video here on how I did it. Okay, so let's take a look at how to create an Instagram story.
This is Maria Piegler with socialmediaonlineclasses.com, and in this brief video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram story. So the first thing you're going to do is select the Instagram app from your phone. So I'm going to tap on the app, and then what you'll see are two places where you can create a story. They're both going to be at the top left. And so I'm going to select the camera icon up here at the top left. I'm going to tap on that. And then you can see that I get the camera. So I can take a photo here. So here what I can do is you'll notice that I have a slider here. That's for any text that I want to write on here. I do a hashtag here. SMOC Coaching Day. Okay, and then I can put that here. Let's see. I can also do you can also do a filter if you just swipe. I'm swiping to the left. I think I'm just going to do it regular. I mean, I don't want anything special. Okay, so here is, I've got Coaching Day, and I'm going to send to everybody, so I'm just going to share. And see right here where it says add to highlights, I want to do that. And I'm going to type coaching. Okay. Now, what the heck is a highlight? That's something that we're going to talk about later, but I am going to go ahead and show you just briefly. If you go to your profile, right here, you'll see the little highlight right there. That will highlight that story permanently. So that is how you do a story. And then people will see the story here, and it'll be here for 24 hours.
Okay, so that's how you create an Instagram story. It all is from your smartphone. You know, there are some things that you can do on Instagram from your desktop, but not an Instagram story. You need to do it from your smartphone. You can take a photo, or you can use an existing photo that you already have on your phone. The interesting thing is if you use a photo that's older than 24 hours, what Instagram will do is it will automatically put the date that that photo was taken right here where I have that Coaching Day hashtag. But you can, if you don't want that on there, you can drag it to the trash can, which will appear here when you're actually creating your story. So you have some options. There are also some things up here that you can do, like stickers, and you can draw on here, and you can choose, you know, to highlight your text. You can choose different fonts. There's all kinds of things that you can do, but the bottom line is it's a quick and easy way to share that lasts only 24 hours.